Yo, what up, Tinder? Hello, Fairs. How you doing? How you doing? I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Just getting on the charts right now. Gonna try to see if we can find a trade. I just got out of Don Vo's stream and he took a win trade over there. So, but yeah, that was it. So we're gonna see if we can find a trade now. My turn. See if I can find one. But I appreciate you guys for joining. Yo, what up? Retiring to the villages from Florida. How you doing? Hey, Zion. How you doing, Zion? Nice. You remember me? Yeah, Head Tinder, I remember you. It's been a while. I haven't seen you in the chat for in a little while, but maybe it's because I haven't been streaming London as much. But yeah, I remember you. I joined after 15-20 days. Yeah, I remember, bro. Hit Tinder. I remember that name. Good, bro. Zion, what up? Thank you, man. Thank you for joining. Alright. Damn, this thing is free falling, though. Alright, so I could kind of see some kind of support right there for that. We could do it, maybe a support right there. Yo, Forex Frank, how you doing? How you doing? Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. So we got a little right there. Let's see. Yo. Yeah, I had a nice buy earlier. Oh, you were in the chat with Don also? I seen that trade. I stepped away from the computer for 1 second. No, brother, I was busy with some personal work, and today I got free and was waiting for you to come. Oh, I got you. I appreciate it, Tinder. I see you. Yeah, I know how it gets when you get busy and stuff. Yo, George. Yeah, I appreciate that though, Hatinder. Thank you for that. But yeah, Forex Frank, I had seen that trade if you were talking about Don Vo's trade, or if you're talking about your own trade, but not with Don. It was my own. Yeah. So yeah, but yeah, that's good, man. Yeah, I was watching Don Vo right now, and he just took a trade too. That's why I was wondering, but yeah, I missed it. I missed his trade. I didn't get in on it. More trades to come. Yeah, no, Frank. That's why I got back on to stream right now. I was like, all right, yeah, I need to find me a trade. It looks like it's moving today. I'm gonna try to find a trade right now. I want to try to find something simple, just a quick little liquidity grab, come up to come back down, get in, get out, something simple. Lafta was just in a room that charges a lot of money for members. He just stopped trading, closed the room, told everyone, don't worry about today, there's always tomorrow. He is rolling in the money still. What do you mean, Lafta? Whose room was that? Was just in a room that charges a lot of money for members. He just stopped trading, closed the room, told everyone, don't worry about today, there is always tomorrow. He's rolling in the money still. Damn. Is that I'm assuming that's a bad thing? Were you guys expecting him to take a trade and he's like, nah, I'm good? Yeah, Forex Frank, don't force one. Yeah, I'd also know because I won't force anything because this move that kind of was just happening, I'm wondering if, you know, this little pump up and down was maybe to do with something to do with like that could have been the move maybe. But I guess it was the folder too. Okay, that makes sense. It was a red folder. And then today during Asian, there's also a, but it's not for USD, but it's still another red folder. Weird. A real trader continues on, but not him. All the followers scratching their heads. Jolts. Yeah. The laughter, a real trader continues on, but not him. All the followers scratching their heads. Oh, I see what you're saying. Like, but why did he have a reason, laughter, why he stopped trading? That was kind of weird. Pisses me off this scammers taking advantage of newbies. That is true. That is true. That sounds like what it could be, bro. I want to know that. How can we know the difference between pullback and a trend change? Well, what I would do, Hatinder, is honestly go to like zoom out, and then just look at these charts and then try to see like the difference between these and, you know, some of these. I know when we're in a trailing going down, look at lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Every single time was a lower, 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 until we broke a new higher high, which was right here. Then that finally started going up. So pretty much higher high, higher high, higher high, until we made a new lower low, lower low, lower low. So that could also be one thing too. You know, you could understand it that way. I mean, nobody really knows when a reversal is going to happen, but obviously, like, you see lower low like this over here. We broke it. Okay, so now we need a retest in there, and then that's where we came up and then came back down again. So I mean, you could kind of consider this a retest, but on what type of time frame? I mean, like, you know, but then this is also a reversal, I believe. So you just want to wait till you start seeing new higher highs and things like that. Room is time to eat trading. Watch last few minutes. Hey, Laughter, are you telling me the time to eat guy is the one that had the room? That he's doing that? Watch last few minutes. But Laughter, are you talking about, but who? Could you send the link or something? Send the link, or I'm not sure. I want to see. I want to know what you're talking about. I'm not sure. No, he don't. Seems to me gold has bounced from these areas before in the past. What do you think of this area? Yeah, let's see. Yeah, that's why I'm actually kind of looking to see what, looking to the left, you could kind of see this is where we're bouncing at. Nick does charge to watch his streams. YouTube. Nick does not charge to watch. He doesn't charge to watch his stream, but it seems like he said, but just in a room that charged a lot of money for member. He just stopped trading, closed the room, told everyone don't worry about today, there is always tomorrow. Are you Laughter? Basically, if we see gold, it's in a downtrend right now and started going up, so it's a pullback or a trend change. Well, this would be considered a trend, a pullback, Hatinder, because we have all of these levels that we're gonna have to break, and on a higher time frame. What I'm familiar with is Don Vo talks about level 1s and level 2s. This will be a level 1. This will be level 2 up here. So we're not reversed until we break level 2 over here. So until we break this level up here, it's still looking like on a 4-hour time frame that this is still a downtrend, because this can always come up here to retest it and then come back down. So that'll be just a bigger pullback. So you won't really confirm the move back up until we break back above this area, which is a level 2. So I'm not sure if you're familiar with the level 1 and level 2s, but okay, and how we can decide that we should take a buy trade or sell trade, Hitinder? All right, so the thing is there's nothing that really tells you exactly what to do. Yeah, Nick was done streaming. Yeah, that makes sense. I mean, if he was done streaming, he was done streaming. But it kind of made it, I mean, I guess it just made it seem like, I mean, I'm sure he's a good guy. I haven't heard nothing bad about him. I don't think he meant anything bad by it, but obviously it's like he has his own normal life too. So I mean, sometimes I'm like, man, I don't want to stream, but I stream anyways, you know. So I could imagine, you know, somebody who's already making a lot of money, they're like, if they don't have to stream, they don't have to do it. So it's like, you know, he's doing good, I'm sure, so you don't need to stream for any reason. But I mean, but if people are paying you to stream and then you don't stream, I've seen so many traders stay on all NY when they start charging, they don't stream long. Oh, I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. So before, I mean, I guess before he would probably stay on all day, and then now that he's charging, he's not staying on that much. Is that what you kind of mean by that? Oh, damn. Oh yeah, Hitinder. So look at when we're looking for certain levels to get tapped, like you see how this bottom wick right here, could be considered liquidity. So meaning, look at the last time that we touched this bottom area. I'm gonna put a dotted line right here. The last time we touched that area, look right here, boom, we got rejected, we came back up. Look at what happened. We hit it, we came back up. So you kind of use ideas of like where we recently were at, where we tapped at, to give you ideas of what you should maybe be looking for. So like I said, you don't really know. I mean, and also if you're wanting to take a buy or sell trade, you know, you want to take buys at the bottom of the range, some maybe here to go up like that. You don't want to take sells at the bottom of the range. You don't want to take sells. Maybe here you could probably take a sell, but here you wouldn't want to take one because we're at support. So the same way this bounces off support and came up, that's where you would want to take a buy at. You wouldn't want to take a buy here at the top, because look, we're already at the top of the resistance. So there's nowhere else to go up unless we start breaking levels. But then that's where I say we need level 1 and level 2 to get broken so we can start moving up to confirm this move up. So like I was saying, is that you want to take buys at the bottom of the range, you want to take sells at the top of the range, so that way you could go down and stuff like that. So that's all. That's also one thing you have to remember is, I studied so many traders through the years. Yeah, Laughter. I hear you, Laughter. I hear you. Is this just a one-time thing, or is this all the time, Laughter? I'm not sure. Yo, what's good, Rays? Sniper TTE does not charge for his YouTube stream. Yeah, that's true. I've been hearing that he don't charge. But I guess what he's saying is that he does charge probably for signals or something. He does have a place where he does charge. Raphael, I haven't took a trade on my own. I was watching Don Vo stream this morning, and he took a quick little buy trade, took only 5 seconds, and I wasn't able to get in on it. So yeah, I watched that one. So that means there could be a short sell from 29 to 19. Well, technically, Hitinder, if you kind of look at right here on this 30-minute time frame, look, 31 got hit, and look at what happened. Sell all the way down to 19 already. So that move that you just might be talking about might have already happened because we already tapped back down here. So look at, now that we tap back down here, now this is the next thing that's gonna have to happen. It's gonna either fill in this whole wick, or this was liquidity so we could start moving up. If this candle possibly gives me a tall top wick up here, I'll probably take a sell. I'm looking at let me see. Oh, that was possibly one. Damn. I didn't. Asking just for educate. Yeah, hit Tinder. Yeah, for sure. No worries. And yeah, and like I said, no worries, hit Tinder. Ask as many questions or whatever you need to know. If I know it, I'll let you know. But most of his signals are shown on stream. Yes, he has signals and courses that cost money. I'm looking for buys, so we don't have the lows in place and the highs. No trend yet. True. Ooh, so I mean, this buy is kind of looking nice. Well, actually, we did get a resistance right at that part. Let's see, low is 24.90. Oh, that low is 18. Oh yeah, that did break it. All right. Looking for buys, huh? Looking for buys. Most likely will push to the upside. Yeah, Forex, it definitely seems a little market not confused, newbie traders confused, relax, patience. It is picking its direction though. It's definitely picking a direction. Let's see. Oh, there it is. There's the flip of the hour. I'm wondering if that could be the push. I was looking at that too, this flip of this hour. Let's see. That did tap right into that box. I see the sentiment already up 17 pips. Ooh, damn. Hey, Rays, you got in on a buy? I'm looking for buys. Did you get in already? Where'd you get in at? Damn. Yes, damn. Good work, Rays. Good work. And then from 26.6, 26.8, 26.8 right here. Oh, pretty much, yep, right here, 26.8. Right here. Nice, bro, nice. Oh, so you're up right now. Damn, you're up. Sheesh. I see that. I see. That's what this wick possibly was for that liquidity to go up. You may hold it for long term. Alright, so that's done. $40 pips in profit. Let's go. Raise. Good work. I would start. I mean, do what you like, but I mean, I just want to say, if you're up 40 pips, you want to make sure you secure, bro. You don't want to lose 40 pips. But my loss size is on 0.50. It's not bad. It's not bad. $40 pips. Damn beast. So what's your plan for today, Hitender? Shoosh. Well, it's looking like buys were the option right now. I mean, kind of looking at that, I do remember seeing that happen the other day, where this was a liquidity grab to possibly come up, but gonna have to just wait and see if I might wait for a possible closure somewhere and then maybe take a possible sell back down or something. We are kind of this is above this one, so it'll probably touch that one. Ooh, 80% profit. Let's go. Good job. Good job, Raise. Good job. Stop loss at break even. Nice, Frank. Yep, that's what I'm talking about. See, that's how you guys manage it. Now this is the risk-free trade. Now it's let it do what it do. Caught over 100 pips on gold, but buy and sell. Damn, Clark. Yo, what up, Chris? What up? Nice job, Race. Man, you guys are killing it, man. You guys are making me feel like I ain't doing my job over here, man. No, that's what's up, man. I'm happy to see you guys getting these pips, man. I'm happy to see that. The more traders we got collecting these pips together, the better our community gets, man. We're just gonna keep getting better little by little. Everybody got some piece of information that's useful, you know. So that's good job, fellas. Good job. Bottom fishing can be profitable, yeah, for real. I'm trying to fish me some pips right now. I'm about to fix me some pips right now. Follow your plan. That is true. That is true. Don't force nothing. Yeah, what I kind of want, what I want to see is I do want to see some kind of pullback. Um, every time that we did kind of come up, we came back down, came up, came back down, came up, came back down, came up a little bit. So I'm wondering if this possibly could come back down at some point. So I do kind of want to see maybe the next candle come up here and then come back down possibly. This one did wick up. Yeah, this one did wick up right into this box, and the reason why I got that box there is I have this candle there and then this candle wick. Those two candle wicks pretty much just the top of that wick and the top of this wick kind of make that box right there, and that's what gave me this idea of where it's going to be stopping at. But if it breaks above this one, then the next area I see possibly happening is this line up here. So what I'm thinking is maybe this little push could be possibly to come up here and then we come back down to grab liquidity or something like that. So I do want to see something maybe come up here maybe first before we take a possible sell. Because obviously it's struggling. It did grab liquidity, but it's struggling to keep pushing up even after grabbing all this liquidity. So that's why I'm saying is that everything is coming down right now. It's kind of going against a lot of pressure to go up. So in order for us to go up, we're going to have to break a few levels to start signaling that we're moving up. So at some point, I do think, like I said, look at how hard this comes down and then look at how much it goes up. You know, it only goes up a little bit. So every time we go up, they are getting smaller though, the push is up. So I mean, we could, this one got a little big, but I'm just wondering is if this one could possibly move up here, I could possibly look for a sell somewhere at this 38 level possibly. Because if I were, let's say I took a sell right here, boom, and it starts to go against me, my first pineapple would possibly be there, my second pineapple will possibly be here. So if that's my trade idea, then I'm just gonna wait for this area to get tapped and pretend everything is going up, and then I'll take my trade at that point up there, and then I'll only have one entry instead of two bad ones and one good one, you know. So I'm just gonna hold off and see if we could possibly hit this area up here. Father, no, not me. I buy my signals, hee hee. Traders used to talk about stop hunts by markets. No mentions lately. I know, right? I think a lot of people have been putting it to rest, especially Donvo. How he says is that, let's just say stop hunting and all of the market makers are real. What are you gonna do about it? You gonna keep losing, or you gonna adjust to it and figure it out? You know, we got no choice. If that's the rules, that's the rules. We gotta play by them. So just keep trading, that's all. Sorry, excuse me. 30-minute side play is one of my favorites. Yes, I know, mine too. I love a good celery play, and I have it always at, I always have it as my screensaver too, so that way I never forget. Once price breaks 39 level, what do you think? I think there will be a trend reversal. It possibly. The only thing is like I was saying, is that this is also just a one level. This is like a level 1 right here. There's like this one level, and then there's this level up here. So if we ever come in here at any point, we could come back down, you know. So obviously you can't predict it, but that's how Donvo finds out his levels, you know. It needs to break 2 levels in order for it to confirm the reversal. Kind of like, look at this point, this is one level, this is one level, right? And then this is one level. This is like on a smaller version of what I'm kind of explaining, right? See, look, this is a level, and this is a level, right? This is level 1, and this is level 2. What happens in level 1 is that we break level 1 and we go into level 2, but look at what happens after level 2. We come back down. So this is what I'm saying, is what Donvo explains about level 1s and level 2s, is that you need level 1 to break level 2 going above here, and that'll confirm the move up. That'll confirm the reversal finally, because if you just take the reversal off the level 1, I mean, sometimes you'll be right, but the thing is a lot of times you might hit that one that just continues down. High. So that's the one thing too, is about level 1. So this is on like that's a smaller version of it, but it's still the same thing, is that if you kind of know, if you also know about Donvo's level 1 and level 2, is that when you break level 1 going in the same direction as the trend, and since this one's going down, level 1 just needs to break a level 1 and it'll confirm the move down. So you see how this confirmed that move down? That's the move down pretty much, because it broke a level 1. But it going up, you need to break level 2 in order to confirm it going the opposite way. And it'll be the opposite. It'll be the same thing as if we were going up like this and we wanted to come down. We would have to break a level 1 and a level 2 to confirm the move down. So that's just my idea about that, is that it'll be kind of hard to predict the reversal for that reason, is that, you know, you could be thinking, oh, we're in a reversal, and then all of a sudden we come back down or something. I love celery with peanut butter. Hey, left, me too. I like eating celery with peanut butter and raisins. When I was little, they used to call them frogs on a log. I think there will be oh yeah. William, hi there. There is a diagram you have as your screensaver. How can I get it? Williams, today's your lucky day, brother. Yeah, this little playbook right here is called, it's the playbook that Donvo has taught. If you guys are not familiar with Donvo, this is part of this is the guy I learned from. So if you guys aren't familiar with it, make sure you guys go tune in and subscribe to this guy. He took a trade live on trading on live stream today, and he took a 14 pip win today or something on live stream for everybody to take with him. So, but yeah, it's on his website. So William, this is the website. I'm gonna type it in the comments, controllerfx.com, and I'll show you where to get it at. So when you go to that website right here, controllerfx.com, you just scroll down, William, and you have to sign in, log in. It's a free website, so you log in with your email and you sign up or whatever, and then you go down right here to sign up to download the complete playbook right here. So you just, once you're signed up with your email and stuff like that, then you just sign up and you download this playbook right here. It's right here. So it'll be all in there. This one's the newer version. I have the older one, so it's the same exact thing. It's the newer one's actually better because it has a little bit more information and it just easier to read and stuff like that. But yeah, this is where I got my little diagram. It's called, well, we call it a playbook. So yeah, so our playbook, if you notice, there's three plays, pretty much, different variations, kind of. I mean, this is 3 plays, but they're all like one idea. 3 plays, but one idea. 3 plays, but one idea. You know, same thing over here now. So if you see right here, it's split. It's split right down the middle. So over here is all bullish, and then over here is all bearish. So when you're looking for a move down, you want these ones. If you're looking for a move up, you want these ones. But these are your ideas just to help you learn how to read the markets and stuff like that. That's where a lot of my learning and knowledge came from, is just learning how to read that. Ooh, look at that. It turned around. Ah. Dang, that was the wick. That was the top wick right there. That was the top wick. That was the top wick. Holy moly. Laughter, did you see the 200-300 pip on UJ 1 bar trade today? Damn, no, I didn't. Laughter, that's crazy. 200-300 on UJ. Hey, which one's UJ? I don't know which one's UJ. Yes, you're welcome, William. That's what we're here for. We share information and we're just, you know, getting better together, guys. That's all we can do. Get better together. But yeah, Laughter, which one is UJ? I'm so like dumb when it comes to all these other pairs. I don't even really, I've never traded none of them. I've only traded gold most of the time. So when people name them, I'm like, wait, which one is that one? I saw the GY. Wait, okay, yeah, I mean USD GPY. Ooh, shit. Oh, damn. God damn. And how long was that? 1 hour, 30 minutes. It was 30 minutes, 15 minutes. Oh, damn. Damn, that's crazy, bruh. That's a massive move. Look at that. This, everything is sideways. Boom, sideways, consolidating, dump. Look like a rug pull. Damn, that's crazy, bro. Damn, look at this guy. There it is. It's melting. It's melting. Dang, I was trying to figure out, like, dang, how was this the move? This was the move somehow. And I kind of was looking at it. Obviously, it doesn't matter if you kind of were looking at it, but it's like, this was the idea of, the reason why I had that line right there is because there was a box that I had right here. I believe it was, yeah, right here. So I went from that box to this box right there. So I used this green candle and then this top wick as a kind of an idea of where to look at. So when I put that box there, that's exactly where we hit with this wick. So what that kind of was telling me is that the last time we touched this box, look at what happened. We came down, right? So last time we hit that box, we came down. So what I was kind of looking at though is that, okay, this one had a long bottom wick, right? And it still closed inside of this range right here. So it closed still respecting this range. So we closed inside of it. So what this tall wick was kind of telling me though is that at some point we need to come back down here and possibly test these lows. So that's where I was thinking that, you know, this might have been that rejection you would have wanted. Because now I do see it possibly at least testing this low or this low right here. Frank. Yeah, GJ fell on my keyboard. It blew a hole through the floor of the house just because it fell so hard. Samuel, what happened to GBP? Is this the one you're talking about? But look at that, guys. That's crazy. That news really affected some markets today, huh? Let me see what this market's looking like. Let me see. I'm looking up like the stocks real fast. Ooh, yeah, everything went down. Tesla went down. Everything is red right now. Dang. Yo, player, if the next hourly retests the high, I'm into a sell to fill the wick. I know that was a good that's a good idea, Raphael. The next hourly, which would be this guy. Yeah, and especially if this one closes inside of this range, it'll help out a lot better, especially if we do wick up. We just need it to close inside of this range. It's looking like it might not though. This 4 hour also still needs 2 hours. What up, player? What up, player? With no bottom wick, obviously. Yeah, no, that'd be true. Yeah, no bottom wick, and it just goes straight up. Boom. That could be the move right there. And the daily is still... Daily did create a big bottom wick. So pretty much anything above this line, the daily turns bullish. So when the daily turns bullish, anything above this line is kind of bullish a little bit. So this is what I'm thinking though, since at any point, if we just wick up here, now we're kind of bullish now. So that will be like the thing I think that will stop us from, because we always need to retest these levels, right? So if we break below, we're gonna need to retest this. But what this tells me, kind of what I think about when I hear that, is that even though we're going down, yes, and we're technically underneath this line, which is bearish, us having to retest this will turn this bullish. So it's like one of those things that it's like, the fact that we have to test our daily, like our daily, pretty much our daily is right here at this level. So once we flip that line, we're pretty much bullish now. So that's what I'm saying, is that at any point, us closing above, or okay, now the hourly closed below. That's what I'm saying though, is that at any point we could come over here to touch this as bullish, and then we kind of pump up or something like that. That's what I would be afraid of. So I would want, yeah, a top wick to possibly come up here and then something to come back down. Let me see. There's that top wick. See, I'm wondering if this might have been the top wick, the one that we're kind of looking for, Raphael. Depends anyway on future price action, but that's what I am waiting for right now. Yes, a huge whipsaw day. Good trading. Nice. Good night. Getting late for me. Have a problem. Hey, see you later, Sniper. Thank you for joining 007. I'll see you on our next mission. Hey, and Raphael, kind of look at this right here. Okay, look, we had a fake out, right? The red one closes underneath, right? And then this green one closes respecting it. And then look at what happened next. The next one was a red one. Look at green, red back into the zone, respecting it, and then boom. It looks almost the exact same thing is happening again. The only thing is that I see different now is that this green one did grab liquidity up there. So if this one happens to move down, it can move down lower. Because we only had to go up to here to make it down to here. We went all the way up here, so now look at what last time we closed here. Boom. Oh look. Uh-oh. Dang. That might have been it. That might have been it. I'm kind of thinking. Let's see. That's already 10 pips. Damn, already. That was the idea. That's what I kind of would have wanted right there. Cause look, we came up here last time, right? Look at what happened last time. Yeah, it's already 8 pips behind. Yeah. So look at the idea. What I was kind of looking at right now. It's a little late, but this is the idea. Okay, look at last time we broke below, right? We broke below. We came up here to retest this area right here. So we went to there, which is exactly where this red one is at. And then look at what happened after that. We came back down. So we came down here to retest these lows probably. So that's where I was thinking. That's when I kind of noticed a little late. It would have been the flip of this candle right here. This green candle we would have wanted to get in on the flip of that candle right there. But I say that just because of, like I said, it's this area over here. What happened last time we closed in here? We came down, right? So look at, we closed in, came down. Closed in, coming down. So that's my idea of that. But what I'm also saying though is that we need to test these highs up here so we can continue down, right? So that's what kind of makes me think is that if we do come down, it's going to come down to start pushing it to test these areas. And like I said, those are the areas that either turn it bullish or bearish. I mean, you know, at this line is the pretty much bullish is up here, bearish is all down here. So if we happen to make it back up here, it's all just it's bullish all up here. So yeah, I did take like 5% today. I need to close the trade. You must be trading the 10-second chart, huh? We did break the low right here, so I'm just wondering is if we broke the low, we might have to test these highs. So I want to see what happens. I'm just saying because look at right here, right? Look at this green candle, this red one didn't break the high and it broke the low, but look at what happened later. We had to come up to grab liquidity. So I'm wondering is if this right here, since it broke the low but without breaking a high, we might need to grab this liquidity. So I'm wondering if it could also push up from here. This is why I'm thinking it's struggling right here at this point. There's a reason it's not just pumping in either direction. It's for that reason. Since we broke the lows, we might need to test these highs. It can flip the doji. Yeah, I know. Yep, that's what I was thinking, Raphael. That's what I'm thinking, is that, like I said, if you notice, like, look at, it's just kind of like this. Look at this candle right here, right? And then this green candle broke the low. And then what happened after? We came up there, right? And then look at this next candle. We broke the low, and then we had to test the high. So it's like, that's where I'm thinking, is that if this candle happened to break the low, which it did, now it's going to need to retest these highs possibly. So I'm wondering, is that if this could be a push up. I'm waiting right now. I'm waiting. It's just this rain. It's the news also. This was the news. So the news went down first and then it came up. So I'm thinking what could happen next is we could possibly use this volume to get into a trade. $15 did that. 15 did that. Oh, let me find out. This is a 3-piece. 24965. That created a 3-piece right there. Wow. That 3-piece, crazy. Rosemond. Possibly looking for some kind of sell. I might wait for something up here or up here, depending on how it's looking, but it is looking like we're gonna possibly push up at least to this area. This could be something like that, maybe. Top wick. Something strange is happening if true. Wednesday, 2:20 p.m. Eastern emergency broadcast system in Hawaii. They were told to have at least 2 weeks of food and water on hand. We might be told the same on Wednesday. Wait, what the heck? Laughter, what are you talking about? That just happened right now or something? Let's see. Something strange that's true. Wednesday, 2:22 p.m. Eastern emergency broadcast system in Hawaii. So you're saying tomorrow? Still holding sales, 1808. Damn, fluidity. You still holding them? That's crazy, bruh. Oh my goodness, this was the move. This was the move. It did that, respecting it. That was the move, I believe. 'Cause look, look. We closed above, we closed back into the range. Then going to the half hour, you see on the half hour that we closed respecting that resistance. So this wick up was just to grab liquidity so we could come back down some more. And you would have maybe wanted it on the flip. It's not too bad. Still not bad. And if you guys haven't subscribed to or followed us on Instagram, our Instagram is in the description. So feel free to follow us on Instagram and join our Discord. It's in the description if you guys want to join. There's a lot of good traders in there, a lot of good information being shared. If you're new to trading, it's good to be around a lot of new traders and other people like-minded like you. So it's a good thing, I believe. XAUC. Damn, that's crazy though. George sell to 1798. Damn. You're gonna sell that one all the way to the HE double hockey sticks. But I appreciate everybody for watching. If you guys haven't liked and subscribed to the channel yet, please hit that like and subscribe. We stream pretty much every single day. We'll be on again today for for Asian, if you guys want. So feel free to join us on Asian stream tonight. Also, I would appreciate it if you guys joined us. And if you guys would like, there's a Discord in our description. So feel free to follow us on Discord and also Instagram or TikTok. And you can message us on any of those platforms. Yeah, and like I said, the Discord is getting really big. We got almost 200 people in there. And, you know, it's a lot of good traders sharing information, sharing knowledge and stuff like that. So the more we interact in there, the more we learn from each other and stuff like that. So honestly, I just need to take a good win trade on stream for you guys, and it'll hype you guys up, you know. So it's just a matter of time till I take this trade. I've been a little patient because I've been taking other trades off stream, and I've been winning you know, off stream. So I haven't been wanting to force anything. Obviously, this would have been the trade right here. You would have wanted that. That was the thing. That's the idea. But yeah, I want to see some kind of wick. Oh, well, I did already wick up, actually. That's... Can't keep asking for it. And that's why too, this 4 hour is this is the 4 hour where the news was in, so it's still just like it's going up, down, up, down, up, down. It's all right. Give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. And I appreciate everybody for watching. If you guys haven't liked and subscribed yet, hit that like and subscribe for me, please. I would appreciate it. We're almost at 1,500 subscribers. We're trying to hit 1,500 subscribers. That's our next goal. So I appreciate you guys for watching. If you guys want to join our Discord is in the description. So feel free to join our Discord or even follow us on Instagram. And you can message us on any of those platforms for sure. I appreciate you guys for watching though. I'm just looking at something real fast. Give me 1 second. goes, man. There goes that move down. Damn, that's what we're thinking about too. Damn. It's all right. It's all right. I'm just a little frustrated myself that I didn't trust in my analysis even more. Ultra right beer with Trump's mugshot. 25 for a 6-pack collector's edition. That's funny. Yo, what's up? What up, R? How you been, bro? I've been good, RR. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. I'm just setting up some of these YouTube settings real fast. Trying to see what's up. Subtitles, published, day drafts. I need my goodness, man, look at that move right there. God, bro, I have that since 2 days. It's hard to get in. What do you mean, Raphael? Bro, I have that since 2 days. It's hard to get in. What do you mean? But I just don't have the move to enter. Oh, okay, I got you. That's good, you got it. Oh, since it started raining. Oh, nice. Yeah, I know it's starting to get cold where I live at too, so I can imagine everywhere is starting to happen. But I guess that's a good day for you that you could get on these charts. They messing up by giving you a chance to get on the charts. They don't want to see you win, bro. Subtitles. Content. I'm trying to set up these captions. I don't know how that. Finna open up my first account today with 5 bills. Let's go, RR. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, man, that's gonna be the start of a better life, man. Don't even worry about that. Trading is gonna set you free. And I'm sure you know about Donvo. I forget, I asked everybody, but you know, if you're worried about trades, just listen to what Donvo has to say. He takes beautiful trades every day. One second, y'all. Oh, I'll be right back. Yo, my bad. I just got back. I'll be on the lookout this whole week since I might only work Friday. Nice. That's what's up, RR. Let's get these reps in. I have my analysis. I know where the price is heading. I see my confluences, but I'm just staring at it without taking my position. I think it's because I took a L on FOMO last time. Yo, what up, Bands? My guy, Bands. What up? Raphael. But yeah, no, I feel you, Raphael. The thing is if you're ever worried about a trade, don't get in. That's how I always see it. So even if I miss the trade after I'm like, oh man, I'm exactly what I was looking for, I just take it as a mental rep. And eventually those mental reps, will just add up to more confidence and stuff like that. So that's kind of how I see like a trade that I don't take, but it goes in my favor. It just gives me more confidence. So just think of it as a confidence booster, pretty much, because I know sometimes you need a few confident, and I know it always happens this way also. It's like, let's say, okay, we took a FOMO L, and then we take 3 mental trades and they all work perfectly, and then finally when we decide to take a real trade, it goes against us. So I know how it always happens that way, but just stay confident in your analysis and just wait for your setups. Remember, if this was ideally the perfect setup for me to get in, this sell that happened right here, that was my perfect setup. But since I didn't get in and it played out perfectly, okay, so perfect, boom, it is what it is. Now we're just gonna wait for our next setup now. So obviously, since we're too late to this party, we're just gonna wait for the next party. And that's how it's gonna be. We're just gonna have to wait, sit and wait, and make sure. And that's how it is. Just sit and wait for our next play to happen. That's gonna be our best bet. Yeah, appreciate you guys for joining me, though. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Yeah, appreciate everybody for watching. If you guys haven't liked and subscribed yet, hit that like and subscribe for me. Would really appreciate it. We got 43 people watching and we got 26 likes. So if you guys wouldn't mind hitting that like, let's try to hit 50 likes. Appreciate the ones who just subscribed. Appreciate you guys. Let's see. What was I gonna do again? Let's see. Yo, what we looking for today, brother? Oh, bands, man. I was looking for this. What's our next move, brother? I appreciate you guys. Appreciate it, Franklin. What we were looking for was this kind of sell up here at this area. We were either looking for it up here or up here, but it ended up being this one. And so I didn't take this trade, but also, like I said, it closes back into the range. This next candle wicked up and then it closed back in, and that was a perfect idea also. So it was like, this would have been our ideal sell right here. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna have to wait for a new level to be tapped, maybe somewhere down here to come back up, or even maybe, you know, somewhere up here again to come back down. So we're just gonna kind of wait right now and kind of let this play. This is still playing out, is what it's looking like. So this one's still gonna play out, and until this move is done, we're probably not gonna be into any trade for right now. That was the ideal thing. Look at lower high, lower high, lower high. So as long as this is still a lower high, and lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low, you know, we're just gonna keep working our way down. But that was what that's what our ideal position would have been. We were kind of looking for it, and it kind of didn't play out exactly like how I wanted it, but it all made sense. If you kind of look at everything right here, there was a 3-piece right here going up, created a fake out, come back down. That was the move right there. That was the move. But yeah, that's kind of what we're gonna wait for though. So I mean, it seems like, because that's the thing, is like, if you're not into it already, you could be late to the party, you know, and being late to the party is not good. Seems like a slow range. Maybe it takes some minutes. Yeah, the thing is like I said, these were the moves right here. This move down, this move down. These were the moves after the news right here. So this is the volume right here. So from now until closing time, the volume's just gonna go lower and lower and lower and lower and lower. So like I said, if ideally you would have wanted to grab one of these moves, these were the moves obviously. So from the news candle. So obviously, like I said, we're gonna have to wait. It's still early right now. We could still possibly catch something in a little bit, but like I said, I definitely want to. Like I said, I don't want to take something too crazy and force myself in a trade or something, you know. It's going to tap 18 and come back up. Yeah, 18. Ooh, let's see where 18 is at. 18 is somewhere down here. So somewhere down here maybe. I could see that happening. 18, that would be the support. So somewhere around here, something like this. So we did, let's see. And we are in a downtrend still, so I mean, oh, this was actually a break of structure, but it was actually like a fake out above structure. So it was a fake out above structure, fake out above structure. So if anything, we need to come down. Let me see. I see us maybe tapping this 1820 area. Or let me see something actually. High is 1856. Okay. So what I kind of see happening is we might need to tap this 1815 area. So in order for us to come up, we might need to tap this 1815 area. So if we happen to get a wick down here for some reason, and then on this way back up, I might take a buy. Because we did have a break of structure, but it was a fake out, meaning we're going to come back down. And there's a 3-piece that right here that never got filled. So in order for us to go up, we would have had to come down first. So my thinking is that if we start to come back down to these levels, this is where we'll possibly take a buy to come back up. Even though we're in a kind of like a downtrend, but the thing is the reason why we couldn't break these levels is because I believe we didn't come lower to grab liquidity. So if we do grab liquidity finally, that could be the one that pushes us past that. But I see, yeah, like how you're saying 18 is somewhere around here. Could definitely be something that goes, you know. But this is where I say is that if it goes down this far, I believe it's gonna go down to this line, because the way I kind of also think about it is like, not saying there's somebody strategically trying to trick you into a position, but doesn't it always seem like sometimes when you get into a position, it always goes a little bit lower or something, you know? So let's say you say 18 is around here, that might be a good entry, but it might actually wick down here and then push up. So that's what I kind of see too, is that if we do make it down here, I think this area will be the one that we tap. Let me see. Could be like something like this. So tapping this box maybe, and then in that box is where we possibly jump. Same way with this guy, it has that one. That's like the retest. Well, actually, could that be the yeah. It's a breaker structure there, breaker structure there. We are getting a little bit slower. It's getting low. Let's see. And this is looking like a, you know, just one of these type of things to possibly test back down here at least. That's what it's kind of looking like. And we have all this clean range right here. Yeah, like, and how we're saying is that everything is bearish right now. Since everything is kind of coming down, your ideal positions would be down, because look at how long that is down. These moves down are a lot more vicious. They're a lot bigger. I mean, this one kind of went up a little bit, but it's just, for the most part, most of the moves are all down. They're big, you know, so you would want something to tap up so we could go down. So if we do go down, you might want to see this go up first, because like if we do make it down here, we might want to grab some kind of liquidity up here before going down. So maybe that could be something we need to look for also, is the next little move up to grab liquidity. I appreciate you guys, and we're almost at 200 followers on Instagram. If you guys wouldn't mind following us on Instagram, our link is in the description of this YouTube video. So if you wouldn't mind checking that YouTube video, the description, you'll see our Instagram and our Discord. So feel free to join both of those. We're both almost at 100 on, or it's 185 on Discord and 196 on Instagram. So we're almost at 200 on both of them. So let's get to 200. Let's get to 200. Hit that description up and follow us on Instagram. Let's hit 200 today. And look, guys, we're at 1480. Let's hit 1500 by today. I'll stay on if we hit 1500 today. I'll stay on for a good while. Probably we'll see how late we stay on today, but I'm feeling kind of good today, so I'm not even mad at it. All right, so we got this rejection there. Highs 24,285. I'm thinking about taking a sell right here. If this drops down lower. Ooh, damn. All right. Let's see. I didn't even get in yet. I'm gonna get in once it goes back down. I didn't get in yet, so if it goes back down, will get back in. Cause it wicked down too fast before I could get in, so we're gonna see how this works. If it wicks back down, I'm gonna take this position right here. Could this be a 1 minute fake out? Let's see. Yeah, 15-minute flip, yeah. I see that. Yeah, this thing never wicked back down. That thing wicked down quick, went back up right after that. That was crazy. Let's see. And this 15 is still, well, this one's still going down. So let's see, it could close bullish right now. It's gonna close right now. Let's see. 30-minute, let's see, 30-minute. Oh yeah, that's a good idea. There it goes. Salary play possibly. Same way, kind of like how this one did, straight down, kind of like this, straight down. That's the new 30. It's a new hourly also, so I'm wondering if this could create a top wick. This one did close respecting this support though. That's one thing too. It's kind of pretty much closed exactly respecting that support. Pretty much respecting that perfectly. So if this one does wick down for whatever reason, it could just turn back around at any point. That's on the hourly, so we'll see how this hourly closes. Let's see. Top wick celery. Let's see. If it breaks this high, then I don't think it'll be let's see. If they break the 30-minute top wick, no bottom wick, maybe take a sell from the flip. Yeah. Well, what I would have wanted was I was just gonna take a possible sell just to take this possible quick little liquidity grab going down, but when it did wick down so fast, it already wicked down wherever it did, and then right after it wicked right back up, so it never even gave me a chance to get back into it. Because I was only going to get in once it wicked back below this. Let me see how low it went. It only went like 8 pips too. So yeah, this is kind of... Yeah, I was expecting it to, because this is kind of looking like a possible, like an onion play right here. So what I was thinking was that this was going to possibly be a top wick to come back down like that, but yeah, that one didn't play out that way. But yeah, now what I'm gonna wait for now though is I'm gonna wait for a possible top wick, maybe somewhere. Let's see. I'm wondering, could we take a top wick maybe? No bottom wick on the 30. Yeah, no bottom wick on that 30. $18.28. Yeah, 18.28. Let's see, 18.28. That's somewhere around here, yeah. I'm kind of thinking this was the last area where we did make a move. Actually, this would probably be it right here. That's the top wick, I think, right here. If we break this box, then it's gonna go even higher than that. Probably to... And on the hourly, it still hasn't broke this top. Oh, it did break that box though. So that's not good no more. Watch that be the massive top wick. before the initial push down, it would be from there. On the 15. If this breaks this dotted line, I'm gonna take a sell right here. All right, I'm in. I'm gonna try to write it down for 10 pips. See how low we could go. 10 pips is about right here. So right at 10 pips. Stop loss will be, let's see, I'm gonna put it at this 15 pip high. Yeah, so I'll put it at 15 pips. That's my area. So if we could at least just tap this 10 pip area, I'll probably just get out, or I'll start trailing it at this point. At the top wick, I'm gonna bring it to break even. Once it hits this top wick right here, another pip or two. Let's see, another pip or two. We're about 4 pips in, around 6 to 7 pips. I'm gonna do it to break even, just to be on the safe side. We're almost there. Yeah, this is 10 pips, so, oh man, let's see. Ooh. Damn, that was the fake out right there. Damn, that was the ideal fake out. All right, almost there. We're gonna go to break even now. Break even. And let's see, 2 more ticks and we're good. Oh, damn, did it just do that? It didn't get me out. All right, I'm gonna get out. 10 pip. Close at 10 pips. Damn, that was fast. Damn. All right, yeah, I got out at that 10 pip. It was right at 10 pips, so I'm done. That was it. I still think it's gonna go down more, but just to be on the safe side, I just, same way Don Vo was in and out real quick. There might be something in the market that's causing that, so I'm just gonna get out while I can. Good job, Frank. Appreciate it, Frank. Good job, Frank. Oh, there it goes. Push lower. Oh, good job, Frank. Good job, Frank. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Good job, Frank. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, Frank. That's what I like to see. That's what I like to see. Ooh, look at perfect right there. Just enough. Just enough. And this 5 doesn't have a top wick, so at any point it could start turning around and go back up. So yeah, we're done. Look at that. Look how barely caught it by like 1 pip. Got Telegram or GC? What time usually on? Frank, I got a Discord. If you look in the description, on this video, type or just hit that description button, and you should see our Discord in there. And I usually post in there when we go live, and also our Instagram is in there in case you guys want to join that too. So and if you guys are wondering what I took that idea from of this trade, was because of this 15-minute three-piece. Look at, there's a 15-minute three-piece right here, and this is the one that wicked all the way up, and that's where I said is if it broke this dotted line right here, I was gonna take the sell, and that's where I took that trade at. A few things lined up perfectly for it, but that was how it went. That's how it went. Got it, bro, for sure. Good job, Franklin. I'm glad somebody was following along with us, you know, and we took that. Good job, though. Good job. I do see it. I still see it kind of working its way back down, at least to this body of this candle. And then the next trigger area will be down here at 22 or something. So got it, bro. Sheesh. Hey, that's what I'm talking about, though. That's what's up. That's what's up. Good job, bro. In and out. Yeah, got in with you. Good stuff, bro. Good job, Bands. Let's go. Good job, man. Appreciate it. Let's go. We got time for a few more pips. Frank, that's what's up. I know. Hey, I'm down. I'm down. Let's see how many likes we got. If we got 50 likes, I'm going to stay on. Let me see how many likes we got. You guys get them likes up. Get them likes up. I'll stay on. We got 32 likes. I'll stay on for a little bit longer, but let's get them likes up. But good job, Bands. Good job, Frank. That's what I'm talking about. So like I said, guys, it's simple things. You know, we got to wait for certain levels to get tapped, things like that. You know, is just be patient. And Franklin, if another trade arises and it shows up, perfect, we'll take it. That was money, though. That was money, though. I was waiting for 28 to enter. Oh, no worries, no worries. Look at, and it actually hit 27.7. 3 pips, bro. Literally 3 pips. It be like that sometimes. I know, I see that, bro. I see it. But like how I was saying is the only reason why I took it at that spot was because, I mean, ideally you would have wanted it way up there, but I took it because of this 3-piece that happened. And once it broke that line, that kind of let me know, okay, we needed to grab liquidity. So let me remove that. Push. Let's see if it pushes. Let's see if it pushes, y'all. I'm thinking it could possibly come down here to this. It's either going to be. Yeah, I see this kind of box kind of getting hit. Okay, why did I put that box there? I'm trying to remember. Okay, right there. Goes that one. Ooh, this is looking nice on the 30. It's looking like it's perfect to drive down like that. Look at that. Perfect to drive down. Ooh. Let's go. Good work. Good work. This 15 don't have a top wick though, so I'm just wondering if that could affect anything. There's also a doji going up. Oh, well, that one could also be like how we were thinking. It could possibly be a celery play, which is the same way. If you see there's a doji right here, we wicked up, came down. The only difference, I guess, between this one and that one is that this one didn't break the high. This one technically broke the high of the previous doji, so that could be the one difference. But I mean, like I said, that was the idea of us coming down, was this was to grab liquidity, and now for us to come up, I would think we need to push up a little bit, you know. So let's see the 30. Dang, I wonder if that might have been a buy opportunity right there with that wick down. Look at that wick down, just I'm waiting for, yeah, that right there. Okay, look at that. Same thing. Same thing. Possibly the same thing again. Let me find out that does it again. Wicks going down have to get filled at some point. Yeah, no, it's true. It's true. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching. If you guys haven't hit that like and subscribe, hit that like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. So after the news has worn off, trading resumes. Yes, that's kind of how Donvo always explains it, is that, yeah, Rafa, it looks like we might be heading that way now, finally, to that 28. But yeah, after, like, what you do is you don't really trade news because it's too volatile. So what you do is you wait for news to calm down and then pick a direction, and then that's when you usually jump in. So $15 filling previous. 15 filling previous. Yup. That's what this possible bottom wick right here was. On the flip of that was this push now. Damn, that was a crazy play today, though. Damn, that was crazy. What's your thoughts on the hourly? Crobins, let's see. Hourly. Well, technically, if you look at the hourly, we had this resistance right here. We had this fake out, close back inside of this range below, right? So what's going to be important is this, what happens with this next hourly candle. If we close back above to show strength going up, or are we going to respect this line so that way we get rejected and then possibly come back down? So this wick up could have also been a liquidity grab, so that way we could push back down. I don't know if you just got here, Crobins, but just a little while ago there was like a little three piece right here on the 15-minute. This three piece kind of played out, it wiped all the way up, and then on its way down is where we got in and got out right here at the 10 pip area. But the thing is it never filled down here. So what I'm also thinking is that I'm wondering if, let's see. So now the hourly is created another 3-piece right here. So there's obviously this big 3-piece right here. So what's going to happen is that this is either going to have to do that to come down or come like this to come up. But let's say it doesn't do that. It's going to close right here. The next candle is going to determine the direction now. So if we break the high or the low of this candle, it's going to usually signal the direction. It's either going to do a fake out coming back up to come down, or it's going to start coming down for the fake out so we can come back up. But like I always say is that I kind of use the direction of the previous fake out to let me know. So since this is the fake out that's going up, the fake out usually signals that we're going to go down. So that fake out is already kind of pointing. Same way this fake out, you could kind of say this was a fake out back into this range right here. And what happened? We went up, right? This one kind of, you could say it's a fake out. We did go up for a second, but we came back down. So that's where I'm thinking what could be happening possibly. And like how I say is that last time we closed underneath this line, we came back here to touch this support. So if we close back again, we didn't technically make it. So I'm thinking at some point we do need to come back here and test this support, because we did close back into the range, is why I'm saying that. Let me see. I had this short. Where did I have that short at? 15-minute right here. That thing actually went 17 pips, but we closed at 10. So it was a quick little move, right quick. No drawdown either, just right to the point. 4-hour closes in 3 minutes. Nice. Just got Robbins. Yes, just got here. Yeah, in 36 minutes it closes. So that's also a thing right now too, is that this 4-hour is going to either close respecting this resistance or closing above it, which will signal a little bit of volume. But like I said, this is only a level 1. So if this is a level 1, we need to break level 2 in order to confirm the move up. So this will need to we'll need to break above, then create a support and resistance to make a level 2, and then breaking above that will signal the reversal. But up until we create a level 2 and break it on a higher time frame and stuff like that. So yeah, I mean, I still see that this long wick was to grab liquidity, so I still see it somehow coming down at some point. I don't use trend lines, but just kind of using these trend lines, I'm wondering if it could be something like that. On the 5-minute. Okay, and on the 5-minute, we're also getting a resistance pretty much. A double top almost looking like it. So this entry was at this point. This was at 26.24 right here. This was the entry. So I'm wondering. Now we closed above it though. So, okay, so how this one closes back underneath it, this one closed above it. So if we closing above it, I'm wondering if we need to grab liquidity first. Hey man, how you doing? Yo, Alpha Charlie, appreciate you for joining. I'm doing great, man. Thank you for asking. Thank you for asking. How are you doing, Alpha Charlie? Look at where this one closes at. It closed right above that. See that resistance right there? It closed right above that. 5-minute salary. Yup, 5-minute salary. That's where I was thinking. I don't know if someone asked you already, but you was good yesterday, wasn't on. Oh, yeah, yesterday, did I get on? Did I get on yesterday? I think I got on yesterday. Or did I not? I might have not. I can't remember. I can't remember, to be honest. Damn, I really forgot. I must have not. If I don't remember, I must have forgot. But no, yeah, I was good. I had to go to work, so I got off kind of late. But I took the trade Wix took yesterday. I was able to take a trade with Wix, so a quick little 11 pip. And then today another 10 pip. So it was a good little 2 days back to back. And I took Don Vo's the other day. I didn't take Don Vo's this morning though, but I took his the other day. So actually that's like 3 in a row. I think at least 3 in a row for New York. Yeah, yesterday I didn't do New York because I was at work yesterday. But yeah, I don't remember for Asian or not. I can't even remember, to be honest. I might have not. Like I said, I think what I was usually do is that when I work, I stream London. But the thing is if I don't, like the next day is I don't stream London because I try to wake up for New York. Because if not, I'll be late. Or I'll be sleeping in for New York and stuff like that. So I try to make it at least for New York. And also, I don't know if it's me or what it is, but I haven't really been wanting to stream New York for the reason that Don Vo has been streaming New York and I've been watching his stream. So instead of like streaming and watching his stream and doing them at the same time, I kind of just been focusing on trading with Don Vo, and then that's kind of why I got on a little bit late today, because I was trying to just focus on the trading part of it. Because what I'm gonna start doing real soon is I'm gonna start a challenge, a funded challenge. So with the funded challenges, I was trying to figure out if I should do it on live stream or if I should focus on just passing it first and then, you know, showing the trades of the funded type of thing. But that's what I was kind of debating in the last few days. But that's what I've been working on, is just trying to like focus on trading, because I know a lot of times when I'll be watching Donvo and then I'll be worrying about my charts and then I'll be worrying about the chat, and then it just I have a lot of things on my mind at one point, so I kind of just wander off, you know, I don't stay focused. So what I was thinking is that if I want to pass this funded, maybe I should just really focus on just trading it. You know, it's not going to be no good if I can't pass it. So I think I was thinking about focusing New York for the funded and then trading maybe personals for the stream and stuff, and just until I pass it, because like I said, I want to make sure I pass it. I don't really believe in bad luck or that kind of stuff, I guess, but it's just, if I'm gonna do it, I need to do it instead of talking about it, you know. Can we sell now from here? Erman, I'm Ron, sorry, Rajan. I wouldn't right now, because it is looking like we're pushing up a little bit. So what you're probably gonna want to do is wait for a possible top wick somewhere. You can see the last 2 times that we closed above this line, we wicked up here, came back down. This other one wicked up here, came back down. So what I would assume, this one even wicked up here a little bit. If you kind of notice this trend, if you were to just connect them all together, it's coming down, right? So what I think could possibly be is that this next one could be a little bit lower, and if it doesn't go at some point, if we break it, then it's going to create a new higher high type of thing. But we're lower low, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. So until we start closing a higher high, I would be waiting, because the thing is for us to grab liquidity, we're gonna need to push up, right? But the thing is like how I'm just saying is this one is just, they're just getting lower and lower. So I'm wondering if this one could be lower. If we happen to break this, then it's gonna signal that we're gonna start creating a new higher high, pretty much, and higher high signal going up, you know. So you wouldn't want to take a sell right now. So I'm just saying is at some point, if the higher high gets created, you don't want that to happen right now. So I would wait. I just got out of a trade too. I need to really focus on trying to see what that's. But you should stream just after like today. I'm on funded challenge right now. 100 KO FTMO. Oh, Raphael, damn, that's what's up. I think the value you get from doing it live can be good to focus on your setup. No, that is true. That is true. Doing it on live has definitely helped me be patient, because I don't want to take a bad trade in front of you guys. So it's almost forced me to really wait for good setups. So that's why too I try not to force a trade, especially if I win a trade. Now from here on, I get even more like stand still. Like I kind of just try not to FOMO in or do anything crazy, you know. So because you can. Because you can, I think the value you get. Because you can lie to yourself doing it live. Yeah, no, that is true. But I also think too, one thing, what I've realized about the lives that actually has helped me is when like there'll be times I'll rewatch my live, and then I'll be able to tell when I'm like confident and when I'm a little shaky. You could just, because I know myself the best, you know. So when I hear myself talk, like how you're saying, if I could tell I'm kind of lying or saying something, not necessarily lying, but just like not so confident, I could hear it in my voice, or I could tell on how I speak and stuff. So that definitely, it does help me kind of like critique myself, so I don't have to have people critiquing me. I could do it myself, you know. So but yeah, no, it is true though. Stay with the setup. Don't overtrade, guys. Discipline key. Yes, discipline is key. That is true. You gotta be disciplined. I know that's the thing, is that Franklin, when I take a win trade, I'm like, oh man, I'm all hyped up. I'm all like ready to go. Like I'm feeling like I'm confident in my setups, and that's where I'm like, oh man, I feel like I could take another trade just because I'm reading the markets and stuff, you know. But yeah, no, that's how it. That's why you got to be disciplined. In moments like this is when the discipline has to kick in. When you feel like that, when you feel all antsy, you feel all hyped up, you feel like, oh man, I could trade against anybody. I'm the best. I feel like it. And then you have to be able to tell yourself, all right, now that you're feeling like that, you need to come off your high horse. You need to start relaxing. You need to stop thinking like that. Get back to reality. Stay with it. And you can retrace your trade and know what's wrong. Yes, that's true. That's true. Let's see. Oh yeah, Raphael, and you can. Yeah, no. How much did you pay for that, Raphael? For that challenge that you got, that 100K challenge. How much did that one cost? But yeah, I'm looking to get in. I don't want to spend a lot just in case I blow it. I want to be able to do a few of them. You know, I want to do a few instead of spending a big one lump sum on a big challenge. I want to take like, I want to split it up. You know, maybe 2 or 3 challenges at least, just in case I blow the first one. I still have a second one to recover, type of thing. Damn, time to eat trading on 400K. Crazy, bro. I'm on there. I'm coming soon. 550 euro. Let's see, how much is 550 euro? 540 euro in USD. Let's see. Oh, okay, so it's 560. So 560 bucks to, damn, that's a lot. I mean, that's not a lot. That's like, if I were to blow that, if I wanted 2 or 3 of those, I needed 1500. Dang, bro, that's what's up though. I'm being there. I'm gonna get there soon. Raphael, what's the cheapest one they have? Like, what's a 5K challenge, 10K challenge? What, like, well, how much are those ones? Yeah, that's crazy, bro. Damn, bro. Him trading with a 400K account challenge, that's crazy. Bro is eating. He is time to eat. He ain't lying. I was thinking about that too. I might do a funded bands. You know, if you're confident in your trading, just remember the important part of this is why I've waited also so long to do a funded. It's not about the capital. You have to be able to trade with $1, or let's say $5, and be profitable as in percentage wise. 100% of $5 is still the same 100%. The only thing difference would be on 1,000 now, but it's still 100%. You still have to double it. So if you can't double $5, then you can't double 1,000. You know, so my idea was wait till you're confident enough to where you know you could double $5 to where it doesn't matter, and then, like, if I could gain 100% on $5, then that means I could get 100% on a 400K challenge. But the important part is the process of it all. You know, if I can't get 100% on a $5, then what makes me think just because I get a 400K account, I'm gonna be able to do 100% on that? You know, so the important part is the percentage. So bands, if you understand that you could get, you know, you could average 3 to 5% a week profit on $100, it's the same thing. The only thing difference now is on a 100K account. If you could get that 2-3%, everything, boom, boom, boom. I appreciate that, Zion. And if you guys want, join our Discord. It's right there in the chat. If you guys want to follow our Instagram, it's also right there in the chat. So feel free to join our Discord and our Instagram. I appreciate you guys for watching. If you guys, hey Zion, I don't know if you just got back or not, but we had taken a little quick trade, like a 10 pip trade real quick. Just got in and got out, but it turned her back around. So good thing we got out when we did, but it did turn back around for a little bit. But yeah, so that's where I say too, is that if you could get the percentage right, the percentage is what's important. So at the end of the week, when you look at how much profits you made, it doesn't matter if it's on $5 or 5,000. The percentage is what's important. You made 3%, you made 5%. It doesn't matter about how much. 3%, 5%, 20%, whatever it is. What's important is the percentage, because now all you have to do is just change the amount of money you're using and get that same 2 to 3% now on a bigger amount. So that's where I say the process of it all is important. But yeah, bands, I'm not, when I'm thinking about a challenge, I'm gonna do a small challenge first. I'm not gonna do no crazy challenge. US dollar is not gonna hold up for too long. This might activate an uptrend for gold. Ooh, could be. And the thing is that Franklin, where do you live at? I'm not sure what country you live at, but I live in the United States. Where do you live at? The reason why I ask is because it's also a new quarter here in the United States where every 3 months they do quarters, right? Obviously, if you're from the United States, then you understand, but for people who are not from here, so the quarter just ended with September. So now October, November, and December is quarter 4. So what usually happens is they start the quarter off strong, and then at the end of the quarter it starts to slow down. So right now everything's going to be pumping probably. So most likely how you're saying is that all the assets and investments and things, they're going to start dumping money into it, and then at the end of the year they're going to start selling it all right before taxes and doing all that stuff. So facts, might just do a 10K at first. 15-minute closing in range. Yes, I know. Yeah, I know. Yeah, there it goes right there. That's that. That's back into the this is the same area where we took our trade at. If you guys look, this is the 3-piece right here. So this 3-piece closed back into the range. So what this candle just did right now is this red candle, it was almost just like a fake out. So even though this was still correct, this was the fake out to come back into this range. So I'm wondering is that what could be next is that we could possibly hit this bottom to fill this 3-piece that we never filled in. So we need to at least come back to this 22 area, I believe, for us to continue up. So if we want to come up, we're going to have to tap down here to come back up. So where I'm thinking where this could be heading is back down to this 22 area. But yeah, bands, that's honestly what I was thinking about doing. I mean, I don't, because where are you from, bands? I forgot if I asked you where you're from. I need to save all you guys' locations. But I was even thinking about doing like a 5K one, 10K one, maybe at the highest. But yeah, just try a 5K challenge, because I heard they're only like $50 or like $100 or something. So I'm already trading with a few $100 anyway. So what would be $100 to do towards a fund it? Fluidity, yeah, we took a sell trade a little while ago. We already got out though. Florida, oh, that's what's up, Florida. So you from Wicks 9, right near the beach. And Kurt, you're from the UK. Nice. I'm from the United States. But yeah, Fluidity, we took a little sell trade a little while ago. We already got out of it though, but this was the idea right here, was that this was the 15-minute 3-piece that formed. And then when we hit this wick way up here, once we broke the dotted line is where we got into the trade at. So pretty much right there, I did a market entry pretty much, and then right at 10 pips we closed it. It literally barely hit our 10 pip, boom, hit it. And then it turned back around. But the thing is this dotted line is the area that we were expecting for us to that it was our original entry. So had we still been holding, it still would be correct, because this was just a fake out. Now back to, I believe, to finish off this 3-piece down here. So that's kind of what I'm expecting. I'm already out of the trade, but I'm just saying is that the whole idea of this trade was still correct, because we still are going down, and this was a possible move down, so we could come back up. So that was just my idea. But yeah, we're just kind of letting it play out. We're going to see what happens right here, see what's up. Hello, take 5%, 5K on it in USD. Oh, trade test. Thanks for that. Hello, take 5%, 5K on it in USD 49. What do you mean by that 5% trade test? When you say 5%, is that like the drawdown part? Just found you today and I think your class. Keep up the good work, bro. Hey, Kurt, I appreciate that, Kurt. Thank you very much. Yeah, and we stream every single day pretty much, depending on if I have a normal job. So if I work, I'll stream London. If I don't work, I'll stream New York and Asian. So yeah, I usually stream today. I don't work, so I'm on for New York, and then I'll be on again for Asian later on. Oh, okay, okay, I get you. It's a challenge by 5 percenters. Took a quick sell. Franklin, you took another one from the same spot, Franklin? Let me find out it's from the same spot. The same spot is the dotted line. So it's like how we're saying, it still makes sense of, this was a little fake out just to grab liquidity so we could possibly make it down here. But appreciate that, Kurt. But yeah, like I was saying, is we do stream every single day. We have a Discord in the description of the video. If you guys are enjoying the content, you guys could follow us in Discord and also on Instagram. It's in the description. So feel free to follow us and join us on Discord. There's a lot of good traders in Discord. We have almost 200 people in our Discord. So just imagine about how many different traders that is. And they're all traders, so that's the good thing, is they're all traders. The more we talk about things, the more we interact and stuff like that. So, and the more trade ideas, everybody. 5K challenge by 5% is 49 USD. Nice. That's what I'm talking about. That's up my speed right there. That way, like I said, I could split out 2 of them for $100. So I could have 5K and I could play with it, learn whatever I need to learn from it, on how to, the rules and regulations of a fund it. And then obviously, if I pass it, good. If I don't, then I still have another chance. And then the next one will be I'm taking them all serious, but I'm just saying is that the first one is definitely going to be a learning curve, because I've never done a fund it myself. So I have to, adjust the strategy, do things certain ways. Oh, and let me see. What'd you say? Oh, Franklin took a quick sell, and you said same spot. Damn, Franklin, you going crazy if you did that one. Same spot. Same spot up another 20, Franklin. Let me find out. I haven't FTMO free demo. Oh, they have a free demo, so you should make a Zoom live. Thrive Tribe. I know I need to. Yeah, I need to make I took 10 pips again. Let's go, Franklin. Good job, man. That's what I'm talking about. I haven't trade test, so they actually have a free demo one that you could look at. This I actually have it up here, I think. FTMO right here, yeah. Okay, free trial. Oh, perfect. Actually, that's what I'm gonna need to do when I hop off stream. I'm gonna try to set up the free trial, and then we'll take the first trade today in Asian on the funded free trial and see if we could pass that. So I'm assuming that'll be the one you need to do all the learning regulations and learning the rules and stuff is on the demo, so you don't blow money wasting it on a real one. I appreciate that, trade test. Thank you for that information. And see, this is what I say, guys, is when you guys join the Discord, there's a lot of people that have knowledge that that I don't even have, that they have, and same thing vice versa. Everybody has a little piece that they could add, and that's what the Discord is real good for, is to be able to trade with other people that know a lot of stuff. Think about it, if that Discord has 1,000 people in it, that's 1,000 different people that could come with ideas, information, knowledge, trades, examples, everything. We just gather a lot of information a lot faster, when we stick together and stuff like that. So I appreciate that, though, trade test. Thanks for that. I took 10 pips again, Franklin. How was the Zoom broadcast better than YouTube? Laugh. The Zoom broadcast will be better because it'll be live. I don't know if I'm on the 15-minute right now, and if you look at the time that it says right here, Oh, 1 second. Oh, but yeah, the way it'll be better is that it'll be live. Like if you look at the timing right now, look at the time on my chart. It says 7 minutes right now. By the time you probably hear it, the time might be different. So if I say I'm getting into a trade, especially with the type of trades I take, which are kind of three pieces, which are you kind of are predicting them. You have areas of what you're looking for, but it's just sometimes I'm like, right at the break, I'm a get in, and then boom, it happens. I'm like, I'm in. So you might see it 5 seconds, 10 seconds too late. You get in, it's already pushed down a few pips, and you kind of get in too late. So the benefit of the Zoom call would be that you're live. There's no delay whatsoever. So everybody in the Zoom call gets the call. Like if I'm saying, okay, I'm getting in right now, you get it. You get the call right when I say it, pretty much. And that's the only difference. I mean, I try my best because I understand that too. I try my best to let people know. That's why I have lines and stuff, and let people know, okay, at this area I'm kind of looking for this and type of thing. So it kind of is a little heads up, but a lot of times it's almost spontaneous too sometimes, because I'm looking for certain things, and then I'm going through certain time frames, and all of a sudden it's just like boom, it just comes out of nowhere type of thing, so that's where I'm like, and I'm just like, I gotta get in. So it's like sometimes it's just, I just gotta do what I'm training for myself. Well, I'm not gonna go to Zoom only. What I'll do for the Zoom eventually will be for like paid members. Obviously, if you want the YouTube lives are always gonna be free. I'm always gonna be free doing YouTube lives. But the only thing is obviously it's a little bit of delay. Bro, why aren't you trading? I'm already out of that trade. I didn't want to I'm already up 12 pips too, so 14 pips. Damn. I'm up 14 pips right now. But yeah, Laughter, I'm gonna stay always on YouTube for free, so that won't be an issue. But it's just like I said, it'll be for more of like when I start selling signals or things like that. Like I'm sure Don Vogue, exactly kind of how Don Vogue does it, where he has the Zoom call for certain people that pay, and then the YouTube live is always free. So it'll just be mainly for, like I said, eventually my ultimate goal would be to be able to sell signals, but also give them to you guys for free on the live stream. But like when I trade, like the live stream will be New York, we could give free signals for that, or it'll be one of the sessions depending on since Don Vo does New York, I might do like signals for Asian or something, and then have the streams free on New York or whatever. I don't know, we have to figure it out. Still a while away, but that's where I kind of have my idea is going. And the Zoom will be also for like one-on-one mentorship type of thing, where new traders that are learning about things, I could do like a one-on-one type of call type of stuff, so yeah, that'll be the ultimate goal though. Take some time. It'll be some time. Like I said, what I want to do though is that's also my next goal with the whole funded, is that eventually I want to get this funded, because obviously everybody would rather see people trade bigger amounts of money, so it's like it's not just for content, but it's also like, if my strategy works, all I got to do now is change the amount of money I'm using, so if I could do that, then I could build a 5K account. One-on-one is cool. Yeah, Laughter, it'll be pretty much for, one-on-one for new students that want to learn to trade. I could teach them the 3-piece real quick, or I could teach them about support and resist, just a lot of things one-on-one. it'll make it easier. But yeah, that'll be the ultimate goal though. Have some signals, be able to call a lot of signals out. And signals I'm confident about. I'm confident in my signals now, but I'm confident in them for myself, you know. I don't want to be giving out my trades really like that, especially charging people unless I'm really funded and I could show you guys my P&L type stuff, you know. I want to show you guys the profits and things like that of what I'm actually making, and that's what this next funded account I'm hopefully going to start doing, where I could start I pretty much just show my account, the growth of the account together, you know, so you guys could see it. But this is gonna be the start of something great, because like I said, you guys are gonna see my first challenge, and then eventually you guys are gonna see me like Time to Eat, how he has a 400k challenge. Eventually I'll be doing that. So it's just a matter of time. Staying focused, staying prepared, getting better every day. Little by little. We got it. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, I took in the last 4 trades I've won the last 4 trades, and one of them was break even. So out of 5 trades, I've won 4. And that's not bad. That's where I say it's like, now I just got to do it on a bigger account. But like I said, I don't want to rush straight to a 100k account. I'm patient. My time is coming. So I know if I just I'll grind a 5k account, and then I'll work my way up to a 10k account, and then eventually by that point I'll be like, forget it, let's go for the 100k, you know. But I want to prove to myself I need to be able to do it with a 5k now. I've never traded with 5k before, so this will be a new experiment. Hey, what up, Raise the King? What up? Music like the world, sell, pullback. Yo, what up? Sell the music. The idea was to take a sell. So we already took a sell. We already got out of it. But my guy Franklin, he took 2 trades in the same range for 20 pips, and the range was only 10 pips. Crazy. Look at dude. Franklin went like this, right? Because look, we took a 3-piece on the 15-minute. Look, this one, and this one that wicked down past this dotted line. We took that for 10 pips, and we got out at 10 pips, right? So when we got out of that one, boom, it started going back up. We're like, oh man, it's going back up. And then what do you know? Franklin took another trade at the same dotted line. Boom. And that was that initial move down. So the first one, if you guys notice, when we took the trade, we were in first place. By first place lets you know that, look at our entry was on these 3 candles. So this one was correct, but it also had a retest in that one. So if you would have been able to hold, you still would have been in on this move. But let's just say you would have got in, got out real quick like we did. Then on the retest, boom, like Franklin did, he got in that from the peak to the bottom, 50 pip range. Okay, it was a 50 pip range, and he took 20 pips out of that 50 pip range. And the thing is he closed this trade way before it even probably got down there. So it might have even been in a 40 pip range. He took 20 pips out of it. So he was able to get, look, he was able to get 5 pips down, or 10 pips down, and then another 10 pips down. That's work right there. That's what I'm talking about. That's a sniper. That's what I'm talking about. 5 wins. Woohoo, bro. Yes, sir. Thank you, Zion. Don't rush. Yeah, I know, man. That's why I say it's like, now the next step is to get this. Hey, Zion, I don't know if you heard it earlier, but I'm gonna start this FTMO free trial. I know we've been talking about it, but it's about that time. I gotta get to it. Yeah, I closed before it went down. Sheesh. But that's what's up, Franklin. Didn't want to. No need to risk it, because now you got 2 10 pip trades, which is 20, and 20 sounds a whole lot better than 10. sounds better than 0. So I'll take 20 all day, every day. You do that 5 times a week, that's 100 pips a week. 4 times a month, 400 pips a month. Sheesh. You're gonna have to let me hold $100 if you hitting it like that, bro. No, but damn, that's what's up, man. Yeah. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching. If you guys haven't hit that like and subscribe, hit that like and subscribe. We're almost at 1,500 subscribers. Let's go. We're almost there. 1,500. Let's get it. Oh, damn. It went backwards. That's crazy. Let's see. Oh, this thing's not gonna even update. That's crazy. Oh, there it goes. That's it. Y'all don't really like me like that. No, I'm playing. But yeah, we're trying to hit 1,500. We're almost there, y'all. 1,500. Who wants to hit that? Hit one more subscriber. We need one more subscriber for 1490. Who's gonna be the lucky number 1? But I appreciate you guys all for watching. If you guys wouldn't mind, we got 50 people watching. Let's see how many likes. Do we got 50 likes? We only got 46 likes. 4 more likes and 1 more subscriber, y'all. And then we do 1490. Who's gonna be the lucky 1490? Audi S. Appreciate it. Thanks for the thumbs up. Thank you for the likes. Oh, there we go. We did it, y'all. 1490. Appreciate it. Let's go. We need 10 more, and then we hit 1,500. That's our next goal. 1,500, y'all. Grind. We're gonna be grinding all day, brothers. Like I said, I show up every day to trade. Sometimes I don't take a trade. Sometimes I take a trade. It just depends. But every day we are on the charts, figuring something out. Every day, figuring out what this is doing. Why it's doing this. Why it's doing that. That's what we're talking about. And this thing is on the 15. And as long as we don't break this high, this thing could still continue back lower. See, on the 30 minute closed below this range. Damn, so I still see it. I wonder if this could be another top wick to come back down like that. Dang, I don't know, man. I don't know. We're gonna have to see. Rejecting 24. I see it. Hey, Franklin, I see. Let's see. I see what you see, brother. Right there. I'm wondering though if we could possibly get a wick like right here. That one might be the one that we need because it'll be the same position as all the other ones. Let's see. But this is what I kind of just noticed right now on this looking at these candles is that none of these broken the high. like this candle, none of these broke in the high, and if it did break it, it went the other way, obviously. So what I'm saying is like none of these were like a liquidity grab to come up and then down. Like once we started red, like red, this one just went there. It just none of them like broke the highs to grab liquidity. Besides, no, not even that one did. So all of them. So by the time, so once it broke the previous high, then it lets you kind of know. So I'm just thinking is that if this one happens to break this high right here, then it will probably signal, okay, yeah, we're gonna probably go back up a little bit. But as long as it doesn't break this high, I still think it could be pushing back down. Because like I'm saying is that none of these candles grabbed liquidity before pushing down, which is kind of why also we're all stuck in this little range right here. You see, pretty much in this range. But that's where I say is that like everything is just lower highs, lower highs, lower highs kind of a thing. But once it breaks the previous high, it goes in the other direction. So that's where I kind of see is that if this one were to get broken, just like all these other times, it would start going in the opposite direction. So as long as it doesn't break this high, it could still go down. But also what I want to see though is a top wick that will break this high and come down, because that would almost signal our position again. But we still haven't tapped. But 1, 2, by the third one, I don't know. The third one might be making his decision by that point, which is possibly. Didn't want. Okay, Franklin rejecting. Let's see if it goes down. We got a doji candle at the 5 minute. Doji. Oh, this could be. I wonder if this could be the same kind of move. Like, watch. What does he call it? Donvo calls it the. Look right here, Franklin. The onion play, just like this one is. You see how these two candles right here, it found support and then it's gonna possibly hit resistance again. That'll be kind of like this play right here. So I'm wondering if the next candle possibly, but let me see how big this range is also. See, let me see how big this range is. We got, oh, it just opened. It just opened. Okay, so we just did it. Oh, let's see. It's 20 pip range. Let's see, 20 pip range. This one. Oh, and that one doesn't have a top wick there. Yeah, I think this, and look at this 15 doesn't have a bottom wick, so this could be the bottom wick right here. Damn. I'm wondering, let me see. Oh, there it is. There it goes. So I'm thinking if maybe the idea would have been best on the flip of this candle right here. Once this green candle flipped, that would have been our signal, I think. For the reasoning that the 15 doesn't have a top wick. So once this 15 would have flipped, that would have been our signal to, okay, now, yeah, that's the idea where to go. Oh, well, okay, the flip would technically be the bottom of this green candle. So if your entry was, it would have probably been there, but this 5 doesn't have a top wick though. That's the one thing I'm kind of worried about, is that it might need to create a top wick. Because every 5 minute, pretty much all of these 5 minute, oh, besides this one, and it came down. Let me see the 15. Oh, the 15 does have a top wick though. So the 15 has a big enough top wick where the 5 minute could just continue down now. So that does make sense though. Yo, nice time FX, what up? Yeah, it's gonna pop down. That exact move about to happen. Nice time, hey, nice time FX. That's a good explanation. What is your spread now? My spread, let me check the spread. My bad, Zion, just seen your message. Oh, damn. It does say, it says spread is at 5 right now. It just says spread 5. Yeah, right now is probably not a good time to trade right now. I mean, you're in a sell? Franklin, damn, you're beasting right now, bro. I wonder if your spreads are pretty high too. Yeah, no, I see this 15 coming down, but it needs to break this low. If we could break this low. Yeah. How I kind of see it is this is the line that we need to touch. So we need to at least come down to the 22.1 area. That's where this bottom area is going to be at. No top wick though. Hey Zion, Zion, what's a high spread? Like, what's a high spread? Right now they are high. Yeah, why is right now they so high right now? Getting close to breaking the lows of most recently hour for 42. Let's see. 42. Yeah, that could also be that indication right there, Crobbins. We haven't broken it yet, but this is where I think the flip of the candle would be the interest though. So Crobbins, this is kind of to the point, remember we talked about it, of like where would entries be? There's a way, it's hard for me to explain it, but just try to hear me out. Is that there's a way of like, you see when this green candle, once it passes this dotted line right here, that'll be the flip of this green candle, correct? But the flip of this red candle would also be, the previous red candle would be the flip of that. So sometimes if it were to go up, on the way down of the previous flip would be your entry type of thing. So just remember of like where your entries would want, where you would want your entry, and look at where this dotted this previous wicked up to. It wicked up right to where that flip of that previous candle was at. So if we wanted a wick entry, I think that would have been our wick entry, would have been the ideal on that. If that makes sense, Crobbins. Hopefully that helps. So, but yeah, that's what I'm saying is like, so when you kind of determine on the 42 of like, is it the body or is it the bottom of the wick? Most of the times it depends, because it's like, because the flip of this candle will be up here, right? But the flip of the current candle will be this dotted line. So it's a big difference. It's almost like a 6 pip difference. It's not, sometimes it's not too much, but sometimes that could be a make or break of your trade. So like for instance, this green candle, it would need a flip there. So if a 42 were to happen, I believe it would have been the flip of this candle right there, the current candle. But it would also be the flip of this current candle would also be the bottom of this, not so much the bottom of the wick, if that makes sense. My 22 points because of my broker. Yeah, that's true. Well, mine says 5. I guess that's pretty high, because I usually see it at like 1 or 0. So I didn't even bother to check. I didn't even think about that. Double bottom on the 1 minute I bought. Oh, double bottom at the 1. This is the thing, is I think if this current candle, like it's flipping right now, that will be the one that kind of starts to drive too. Because like how we're saying is that there's also a celery play right here forming. So I'm wondering if this could just be the push down like that to grab. I mean, if it does go up, it will need to grab liquidity, so it could come up. So this push down will be the one to go like that. There it goes. There it goes. Let's see. Let's see. 1 hour. Here we go. Let's see, let's see. Ooh. Ooh, that was like a retest right there on that line. Look at that. This right here, boom. Ooh, liquidity hunter. He knows his stuff. Nice. Okay, I see what he's saying. He said liquidity hunter said a double bottom. So look at that. I see liquidity hunter. Hey man, appreciate that. You definitely called it before that happened. I was right here reading it. Oh, I'm wondering if this could be the top wick though. For that 5. Okay, well this 15 did close respecting it. Let's see, low 2095. Yeah, so it closed respecting that. The 1 hour. Yeah, and the 1 hour that was a bottom wick possibly. Let's go. Good job, liquidity hunter. That's work right there, bro. I wonder where you got in at. You got in somewhere right here, probably. You're already up at least 10. It's nice, nice, nice. And we look at right here, the same type of move right here, same type of move. It didn't break the low and it just moved up. So it didn't break the low and it just moved up. So, I mean, I could see it definitely doing the exact same thing, at least making it up to this 27, possibly 28 area. Yee. Good job, liquidity hunter. That's what's up, though. You definitely called it, bro. And that's crazy. I read it right before it happened, too. And look, we got lower lows, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. So look, this is like a level 1. This is a level 2 now. I appreciate you guys for watching. If you guys haven't hit that like and subscribe, hit that like and subscribe for me, please. I appreciate it. And we hit 50 likes. Appreciate it, guys. We hit 50 likes. Thanks. Got in on buys too. Jeez. Damn, bands. That's what's up. Good job. Damn, that looks nice, bro. That looks perfect, though. That look good. Damn, I should have got in. Good work, though, bands. I like to see that. Liquidity hunter, we flying now. Ooh. Damn, bro. Liquidity, man. You gonna have to, next time, you gonna have to let me know. I mean, you did let me know, technically. You gonna have to let me know you're serious next time. I didn't know you were serious, bro. Nah, but that's good trade, though. That's good trade. I like seeing when people say certain things, because they'll say, hey, I took a buy right here, and then it doesn't do it. And then people always say, I told you buy at this point, I told you buy at that point, but it's all good. It's all good. Yeah, man. Yeah. But yeah, I appreciate everybody for watching. If you guys haven't hit that like and subscribe, hit that like and subscribe. Almost at 1,500 subscribers. Who's gonna be the lucky number 1,500? Hit that subscribe and let's hit 1,500. Who's gonna be lucky number 1,500? You're gonna be able to say one day, man, remember I was 1,500? When I'm at 100,000, you're like, I was 1,500. Hey man, appreciate it. We need 5 more subscribers, y'all. 5 more, and we hit 1,500. I know it doesn't say. It doesn't. It. I think it only counts by tens or something. 10 seconds progression graph. That looks kind of cool, huh? Leave it like a casino? Or you gotta like the other one better? I kind of do like that one. Flying, y'all. Liquidity Hunter flying. Yeah, he called it, man. He called it. Let's see. What were we looking at? We were looking at. Which softwares are you using to stream? I'm thinking of streaming too. Oh yeah, it's called OBS. Any signals for now? Kalish, we just got out of a trade a little while ago. Liquidity Hunter just called a buy trade a little while ago, but those two things have already played out. So as of right now, nothing right now. But Claudine, James, it's called OBS. That's the website. OBS Studios. Right here, this one. Yeah, this guy. So yeah, this is the one you stream on, and if you have any questions, what's his name? Look at, I'm gonna show you the guy right here. This is the guy you need to watch. OBS. This is the guy you need to watch. He has all the answers right here. Michael Fire. He's the genius. He's anything to do with whatever you're trying to find on that for your stream. Anything, bro. Literally anything you want on your stream. He has a video how to install it, how to set it up, how to do everything. This is the man right here. He damn near, I think he invented OBS or something because he knows so much about it. But yeah, this is the guy right here. OBS Studio, thank you very much. I think it would. Yeah, OBS Studio. Yep, that's the one. But yeah, this is the guy that teaches you how to install, because what it is OBS is a program, and you have to add plugins so it could use it for like for your stream and stuff. So like, let me show you. I guess I have the little screen right here. Look, this is my OBS Studio right here. So as you guys can see, the chat is coming up, but the thing is you have to install this chat kind of a thing so it shows up. Then you have these other, like, I have this coming soon type of scene type of thing, so when I'm about to stream it says coming soon or starting soon type of thing. Calm me down during trade. Yeah, bro. The good thing about streaming is that you get to talk to other people and hear ideas. And like I said, is everybody sees the market differently, because the thing is somebody could be screaming sell and they might be right. Somebody could be screaming buy and they might be right. And the thing is they both might be right, because everything needs to go up to come down. Everything that goes down needs to come up. So at some point, you know, everybody's going to be right. It's just about when. But like I said, it helps. It's going to push to 22, then go back up. Oh, 22. Don't trade now. It's sideways. Yeah, not right now. I'm going to be taking it easy right now. I was hoping it was going to at least break this low right here, and then it would have continued down, I believe. But the fact that it didn't break the low is why we're kind of struggling. I am a girl. Oh, Claudine. Sorry, Claudine. I know and your name says Claudine James. I seen James, and that's why. Sorry about that. But yes, OBS Studios is the program, and like I was saying, this is the guy you want to follow, Michael Fayer Jr. Like I said, when you're setting up your OBS, this is the guy that has the video explaining every single thing. So depending on what do you want to stream it for, like on YouTube, or you could stream it on Twitch, or everything, it'll all run through OBS. So wherever you want to stream at, you can just do it through OBS and stuff. But yeah, it's a great streaming thing. I still have a lot to learn with it also. There's like as you can see mine, when I showed you my screen earlier, I have a very limited amount of things. Like there's not that many things right here, where like I was comparing it to the guy Don Vo that I watch. His OBS has all kind of features and things and like that, because his setup is like how you would want it. So it's still like mine is still a work in progress. Still trying to learn to set it up a certain way. I'm trying to put it to where the chat is on the screen also, so you don't have to have the chat up on the side of the screen or whatever. You can kind of just see it on the screen. But yeah, there's a lot to it though. There's a lot of things. There's a gazillion different things you could do with OBS. It's a great tool. But yeah, we're definitely not going to take any trades right now. Honestly, we're going to just it is kind of late. It is 10:30, not too late. I mean, something could always happen. But, you know, these moves right here were the ones that could have been from the news. And now we're kind of cooling off. So we're going to probably build pressure up until maybe Asian. So we might not really move until Asian. I'm out. Yeah. Get out. I mean, you do what you like, but yeah, that's how it is. But that was a good trade, man. Management, face cam. Yeah, that's one of my things too. Next will be eventually a face cam, but I want to wait till I get a little bit more subscribers and stuff like that. I don't want to blow my cover just yet. I don't want to blow it just yet. I want to be able to walk around the streets of my town and not get recognized. Like Don Vo, he was driving on the freeway and people, hey, Don Vo, it's you. But yeah, that's like, because I use a Mac also, so the Mac actually has a built-in webcam, so I could already put the face cam right now, but it just I'm kind of waiting right now. I'm just grinding right now. You know, I'm not really I don't really care about, I'm not trying to do this for being popular or nothing. I just want to learn to trade. But as I go along, I want to meet a lot of people and build something. I appreciate you guys for watching. If you guys haven't hit that like and subscribe, hit that like and subscribe. We're 4 subscribers away from 1,500. Let's hit those. Who's gonna be the lucky 4 subscribers? We just need 4 subscribers, y'all. SL Bud, my bad. What up, SL Bud? Yo, Robinson, at what time are you going for Asian? Asian opens up, let's see, right here. Let's see, let me refresh this. All right, so look, I don't know where you're currently at. Wait, what the heck? Hold on. It says New York. Oh, that's not the right time. It's not 1:30 p.m. Oh, it is. Okay. Okay, so it says right here, it says, I don't know why I don't know why it's changed the time. It usually has my time right here, but anyways, it says Tokyo begins in 6 hours. So pretty much 6 hours from now is 5 p.m. my time, but I'll be getting on Tokyo in about 6 hours once it opens up at 5 p.m. So in about 6.5 hours or so, I'll be on it for Asian again. Just because right now the volume is kind of dying out, and I think it's just gonna range for a little bit all the way up until Asian. So around Asian is when we'll get back on and, you know, try to find another trade. We already took a win today, so we know one win today. Taking it easy, don't want to force anything, but shoot, man, I'm feeling like I might be on fire now. So let's go. I think I'm back in my zone again. I feel it. I'm feeling it. I'm confident. But yeah, appreciate that. Appreciate you guys for watching though. If you guys wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe, hit that subscribe. We're almost there. We need 4 more subscribers, y'all. 4 more subscribers, and we took a dub today. So if we took a dub today, at least hit that subscribe for me. You going to be streaming every day? For the most part, Liquidity Hunter, yes. It just depends on what days that because I have a normal job also. So when I get off of work, I usually stream London, and then on my days off, I stream Asian and New York. So currently right now is New York, so I'll be on again for Asian, and then tomorrow I'll be on for New York and Asian, and then the following day I'll be on London for 2 nights, and then back to Asian again and back and forth. It kind of just depends on the day. That's around 2 a.m. East African time. Yeah, so that's gonna be a little late for you, Robinson, but yeah, I might get back on for London. It is kind of late right now. That's probably why it's early for you guys right now. So if anything, I might try to do London. I'll see what I can do. But yeah, my goal will be to try to get into London. So maybe we'll do London. If I win the second trade today, I might even do London. But yeah, Liquidity Hunter, we pretty much stream every single day. So if you haven't followed, and we have a Discord too, Liquidity Hunter, it would be cool if you joined our Discord. I mean, I could just tell off of, you know, you calling that move right before it happened. You definitely know what you're talking about. So yeah, our Discord is in the description. If you have a Discord, feel free to join our Discord that's in the description, and or even on Instagram if you want to follow us on Instagram. It's also in the description. And like I said, let's keep working together, man. I like your style of trading, man. You know what you're talking about. So join our Discord, and there's a lot of other people in there that are learning to trade, and would love to hear your ideas and stuff. For sure, appreciate it, Liquidity. And like I said, that's the best way too to stay in contact with me, because I'll post in there a lot of times when we go live and things like that, and you can message me on there, whatever, bro. But yeah, we're trying to, like I said, every day we showing up every day, trying to get better every single day. So that's our goal, every day to get better. And this might have been a bottom wick right here just to grab liquidity so we could go back up. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching. If you guys, I'm actually gonna be getting off now. We've been streaming for a little while, but yeah, I'm definitely gonna be on for Asian in a little bit. So if you guys wouldn't mind, we could we'll be streaming later on today too. So join our Discord. It's in the description. Follow us on Instagram. All that good stuff. So I appreciate you guys for watching and stuff like that. Always. You guys are awesome. Appreciate it. But yeah. Alright, man. I'll see you guys later. I'm going to get off now. Sorry, man. I was just watching something real quick. But alright, guys. I'll see you guys later. And see you guys on the flip side. Peace. All right, yep. See you later, Franklin. Hey, good work today, Franklin. You did some good trading today, man. I appreciate that. Make sure you, like I said, follow me on Instagram or in Discord so we can keep in contact, man. I like your style too.